In 1946, J. Wade Kincaid opened a small cedar chest making business with just 4 employees in Hudson, North Carolina. He had a good eye for quality and was determined to provide the best furniture possible for his customers. That meant making it from solid wood, designing it to last, and using classic techniques of hand craftsmanship and finishing. J. Wade succeeded because he was dedicated to providing his customers an honest value, good-looking furniture, built to last.
I'm Steve Kincaid, the son and grandson of our company's founders, J. Wade and George Kincaid. My father and grandfather probably wouldn't recognize our company today, but we're still dedicated to providing the best value. That hasn't changed. Solid wood furniture built to last. We have well-equipped factories here in North Carolina and even source some of our products from around the world. We still use the same construction techniques we learned more than 60 years ago from our founders. A lot has changed since 1946, but I can proudly say that one thing has not. We build Kincaid furniture solid.
Today's Kincaid Furniture Company is a diverse global company, a strong, stable partner in today's fast-changing furniture market. A magnificent selection of stylish bedrooms, dining rooms, living rooms, fine upholstery with an exciting choice of fabrics, leathers, and options. Just the right look for every room. We still use classic solid wood design and hand construction techniques, along with advanced materials and machines that add to the long-lasting beauty of what we build. Kincaid Furniture Company is also dedicated to continuous improvement. Starting with good traditions, we constantly work to improve them, to make our already high level of quality and service even higher, to improve our consumer support, and to speed our already fast delivery times. We intend to continue leading the industry for many years to come.
I want to personally thank each of you for your continued efforts and support of our company. I promise that we will do all we can to ensure that your customers receive the best quality, the best style, and best value.
Natural beauty, strength and durability, hand craftsmanship and artistry in materials that become more beautiful, more valuable with age. Fine craftsmanship in solid wood, centuries old, carries the stories of the families that owned it in its rich patina and deep, warm colors. Fine solid wood furniture is today's best value and an investment in the future. Kincaid Furniture Company is the world's leading manufacturer and marketer of fine solid wood furniture. Beautiful natural solid wood is a renewable resource. Every type of tree offers a unique combination of grain and color.
There aren't many guys that make solid wood furniture, and we probably are the best and the biggest at what we do.
We know that if something happens, you can repair it, you can fix it, it's durable, it's gonna last, and you can hand it down to your family, your children, your grandchildren. Everything in my house, with the exception of maybe one group, is a Kincaid product.
We know that solid wood is a better value because it's long-lasting, and you know, we used to have a tagline many years ago at Kincaid that said, "Tomorrow's heirlooms." It's a product that can be passed along to your children. So the styling is good, the value is good, and then you have a great quality story. The second thing I always like to say is when you buy from Kincaid, you're not just buying furniture, and you're not just buying product, that you're buying the people.
And people talk about, yes, we're solid wood, but it may just be the top of their case, it may just be the drawer fronts, but with Kincaid, it's everything. It's the end panel, which is the side of the case. It's the moldings that go around the case. Those moldings are not plastic or resin or something else. They're solid wood as well. The drawer fronts are solid woods, the sides, the tops, it's all solid wood. And that is the difference. There are folks that cut a lot of corners, but still try to sell it as solid wood.
To create fine solid wood furniture, Kincaid uses a combination of proven hand craftsmanship and today's advanced technologies and techniques. A perfect example is Kincaid's mortise and tenon construction. Bonding two pieces of wood by creating a mortise in one piece and a tight-fitting tenon on the other is a technique that was developed thousands of years ago. It's been used for centuries because it is the best way to join wood to form a corner. Like a key in a lock, the two pieces become one. In the 18th century, the most famous classical furniture makers used mortise and tenon construction. Today, Kincaid forms mortises and tenons using computer-controlled routers, which cut mortises and tenons to much more exact and tight-fitting specifications than would be possible cutting by hand. Advanced formula glues bond the mortise and tenon permanently, protecting against moisture and age, and creating a joint that is stronger than the wood around it. Joints that must withstand higher stresses are further strengthened with screws. A similar technique is used to create drawers that will withstand years of hard use and keep their fit and squareness. English dovetails are like creating a row of mortises and tenons. Interweaving like fingers, the dovetails give the thinner drawer sides the stiff, tight joint they need to stay square. Drawers also ride on wood non-tilting drawer guides. Dovetailed into the drawer bottom and screwed to the case, these guides provide quiet, smooth drawer operation for generations of use. All Kincaid solid wood chairs are crafted with finger-jointed corners. The rails are mortised into the chair legs, and a finger-jointed corner block is glued and screwed across the corner to create an extremely strong and stable joint. Where design allows, heavy front posts build in more stability for cases and create a beautiful look for the piece from all angles. Most front posts have adjustable floor glides to make the case easy to level on almost any floor. Because it is a natural material, solid wood is affected by temperature and humidity changes in the home. Heat or increased humidity causes the wood to expand slightly. Cold and decreased humidity causes it to shrink. The secret of making quality solid wood furniture has always been accepting that small expansion and contraction and making it an integral part of the piece of furniture. Kincaid fully floats case tops, tabletops, large end panels, door and bed panels. Attached to the case with metal clips running in tracks finely machined in the wood, tops and end panels can expand and contract without causing stress to the furniture. Raised panel doors and bed panels not only float within their surrounding frame, many are self-centering to maintain their position as they expand or contract. The edges of the panels are pre-stained with the correct finish so that there is no chance of white wood showing when they expand or contract. To control expansion and contraction and to prevent warping and cracking of the wood over time, Kincaid uses only kiln-dried woods. First, wood is air-dried to a specific moisture content. For some species, the air-drying process takes almost a year. Then, the wood is kiln-dried to bring its moisture content down to the level you'd find in an average American home, about 6 to 8%. This not only protects the wood, it allows Kincaid to machine to finer tolerances to create tighter joints and finer fitting parts. Finishing with sealers, stains, and clear coat stabilizes the correct moisture content for the wood.
Well, we'll start off with a couple of stains, a light stain to kind of make the board uniform because it is different pieces of lumber glued together, so you'll have some variation. We uniform the color, then we'll put one stain on to start the base color, Then we'll come on top of that with another stain. And we start building step by step by step. And when we talk about 20 steps, 23 steps, it's all these steps between stains and sealers and lacquers and distressing that build one on top of another. We have glazes that once you put the glaze on, you wipe that back off, but it gets down in the pore of the lumber. Where you have distressed the lumber, that glaze gets down in the dents and the dings and the rasping, and it really brings out that antique look to the product.
Natural beauty, a unique combination of advanced technology and classic hand craftsmanship. A global manufacturer and marketer of fine solid wood furniture and custom upholstery, Kincaid is bringing a world of fashion to today's American homes in heirloom quality furniture. Kincaid is the best choice for your home. Rooms you'll enjoy living in for many years to come. Kincaid Custom Upholstery is the perfect companion to Kincaid's solid wood cases, tables, and occasional furniture. Kincaid Custom Upholstery frames are designed and engineered to last in active lifestyle homes. Frames are made from hard and softwood laminates. Built to last, classic mortise and tenon construction joins the frame parts into a single unit. As a custom option, bench-made 8-way hand-tied coil systems provide long-lasting comfort. Tempered steel coils, each tied at 8 points, allow the seat to ride and flex as a single unit, not as individual springs. Our standard sinuous wire construction uses tempered S-shaped springs tied together with steel wire to provide an even ride and feel. The seating spring systems are edged with steel wire, formed to provide a stable, long-lasting edge for the seat and prevent sagging. Back springs are covered outside with a layer of poly material to help tie the springs together into a single unit, and inside with a high-strength, low-noise synthetic to provide an even, quiet ride for the back cushions. Curves at arms and at seat edges are formed with foam edge rolls that give the right amount of firm flexibility and spring back to shape for many years of use. Skirts are lined with denim and interlined with fiber inserts for a crisp-looking skirt that lasts. True hand tailoring creates the final look and comfort of a piece of upholstery. Cotton and Dacron fiber is applied to build the final shape of the piece. The upholsterer aligns the fabric by hand, centering the pattern's focal point on each part of the sofa or chair, carefully lining up the pattern for an impressive flow match, and placing the fabric so that the pattern matches across different parts of the upholstered piece. Kincaid Custom Upholstery offers 3 quality cushion choices. Kincaid's standard cushion is durable, comfortable, and perfect for today's family room environments. The heart of the cushion is high-density polyurethane foam wrapped in Dacron fiber. Enclosed in an accord ticking, this premium cushion keeps its firm, traditional appearance for long use. Kincaid's upgraded cushion design starts with the same wrapped polyurethane foam core and adds low-melt fiber across the seat crown. It is a perfect combination of deep seating feel and durability. Kincaid's top-of-the-line or blend-down cushion is the ultimate in comfort. Again, we begin with the wrapped polyurethane core. This is enclosed in a channeled envelope casing of down-proof ticking, and a blend of feathers, down, and polyester fiber is blown into the casing. This cushion gives you the look and feel of an all-down cushion without sagging and compressing over time. Kincaid Custom Upholstery offers 7 different accent pillow designs in a variety of sizes. You can personalize each pillow design with a wealth of options, including contrasting welt, fringe, bullions and braids, Choose from 17 different custom wood finishes matched to our case goods groups. From warm oak, cherry and maple, to antique, vintage, and modern naturals or black. 500 fabrics and fine leathers give you a wonderful choice of colors and looks that will go with any room. Special designer fabrics provide a creative flair. Mix fabrics or fabric and leather for a stunning combination effect. You can have a piece upholstered in your own fabric, known as Customer's Own Material or COM. This provides an even more personal look. Throughout, Kincaid Custom Upholstery is quality furniture, built to last, and we back that quality with a 7-year warranty on all materials and workmanship. The warranty includes frame, springs, cushions, and back pillows. Very few manufacturers include fabric in their warranty, but Kincaid is so thorough in its quality control that it guarantees against defects in the fabric or workmanship for 1 year after purchase. Kincaid Custom Upholstery offers the same quality, the same value, the same long-lasting beauty our solid wood products have become known for around the world.